Hi Vinay, how are you? Am I audible, Vinay? Hi Drishti. Hi Abdul. So, which language is good for you guys, Hindi or English? Everyone understand Hindi here, or we will go in English otherwise? Okay, then let's start. So, today we will study how to approach a target for bug hunting or web application pen testing, anything. So like if you are doing a pen testing on a company, then how you can approach for a specific web application. Like see, what happen in pen testing, they will give you a web application, anything like google.com. Like okay, maybe they given you like okay, pen test www.google.com. So what is your approach for that? Okay, so we will discuss about that. So okay, first of all, we will discuss how to choose a target on bug crowd or hacker one. Okay, we are going to bug crowd now. See, so let's choose HubSpot. See, we are today we are not talking about like subdomain enumerations or anything. We just going like only a single web application. Like what is our approach for a single web application? Like okay, we will find out okay, HubSpot.com. Okay, like this. Okay, so what should be our approach for this web application? Okay, so we'll go one by one. So first of all, read the scope of target properly. See what happens sometime even when I started bug hunting, what happened? I just like go there and started hunting. So what happens? Sometimes they even like remove the scope for like XSS, even SQL injection also. So you need to read the scope first. See, sometimes what happen? They will put, see, currently see they are accepting XSS, but sometimes they are not accepting XSS, or maybe they are not accepting some type of bugs. So you need to like, at least you need to read the scope, like what bug they are not accepting. See, the following finding types are specifically excluded. See, reports related to rate limit applied to an API endpoint. So we cannot report this. Like if you report this, then they will cut your point, and yeah, it will impact your account on this bug crowd. Okay, for this you should read all the scopes. At least like if you are not reading all these things, like I know sometimes like this is not look good for us, so you can read this only out of scope at least, like okay, no rate limiting on API endpoint, perceived excessive volume to send email, so email flooding or same as rate limiting, login or forgot page, brute force, account lockout, non enforced. See what happened, see, like maybe, see, this happened with me, like when I starting, see, they put the cross-site scripting in out of scope, and I like took 2 or 3 days to find out, and finally I found out some cross-site scripting. But when I started reporting, then I find out, okay, XSS is not out of scope. So all my 3 days are go wasted. Okay, so you should trust, see, always read the scope. Okay. Yeah, we will upload the session on yeah, YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, this is beginner, this is very beginner. So okay, sir, as a beginner, which bug type should I go for? So you can go for like, see, like okay, you are a beginner, and what type of bugs you can look out. Okay, so you can check out the bug crowd rating taxonomy. This is very good. This taxonomy, so there are some bugs, so you can check out them. But see, I most of the time, sometimes like sometimes they will put that into P5, sometimes in P4, sometimes you will get the bounty, sometimes not, sometimes they will reject also them. See, this happen with P4 bugs, all the P4 bugs. Even see, you report them, and sometimes you will get the bounty, but sometimes they will reject. So you need to aware about this. Like even see, you reported a no rate limiting, so maybe you will get a $100 bounty, not so much, only 100 or $150, and maybe they will reject this. So this depends. So don't think like if you reported the no rate limiting, then you will get the bounty. So from where you can start? So you can start from these P4 bugs. Like if you are beginner, then try to learn these basic bugs. These are something, most of the bugs are very easy. See, you can like start from no rate limiting. Like what is no rate limiting? Okay, so no rate limiting is like thing, see, when we create a account on like any web application, and see, like they will send an email for confirmation. So see, we can send multiple emails, like there are no rate limiting, we can send thousands or 1 lakh email within minute, within 2-3 minutes. So that is a no rate limiting. So see, so don't like even say like okay, you reported a no rate limiting bug, then sometimes you will get the bounty, sometimes not. See, so don't think like when you report the bug, then definitely you will get the bounty. Even sometimes they will reject your bug also. So you can start from this, and if you are beginner, then if you want to learn, then you can also learn from Portsugar. So very good lab, very good. Like I also do practice from there. Like see, in 3-5 months, every time like when I forgot something, then I also do the practice. Even I do the practice on this, like many labs, when I forgot some concept and I want to do the revision, then I do the practice on Portsugar labs. So very good labs, you can practice anything here. So if you are beginner, then start from these okay, where is this? business logic vulnerabilities. These are very basic, so even you can find out this, and they are even like, see, don't think like if you are a beginner then you cannot find P1. Like these business logic bugs are even go into P1, P2. So okay, like to watch this session, sir, as a beginner, which bug type should I go for? Screen is blur, like it's blur to everyone or it's clear? My internet connection is very fast. Hey guys, can you like message me someone like screen is blur to everyone or it's clear? Okay. So Drishti, maybe like you don't have. Okay, okay. Change the resolution. Okay, okay. Thank you. So okay. So everyone like and comment, guys. Like the video. Okay. So okay. Sports figure only has OWASP top 10. Yeah, we are today we are talking about OWASP top 10. Like okay, you are talking about all the like networking bugs also. Kalis, tennis. So see, for web application, most of the time we will try for OWASP top 10 bug. Yeah. So you can go one by one, and if anyone beginner, they can start from the business logic, and you can also read this taxonomy. See, so how you can try to see like okay, like maybe you will think okay, like I'm reading this, then I don't know what is this bug. Like see, okay, you think okay, like what is this bug? Lack of password perfume confirmation on delete account. So just copy this string, okay, and paste in, and you will find out some bugs. See this Zomato. See, someone reported, so you can read like what is this bug. So basically this bug is this, like when you created a account on any web application, and when you deleting the account, then they are not asking for the password. Like even like okay, you created account on a Instagram, and when you want to deactivate or delete your account, like if they are not asking password for it, then this is a bug. So today, like see, I am not talking about exactly like how you can find out. I am talking about like methodology, like what should be your approach for this. Okay, so this is account deletion bug. So this will goes into the P4. It is very easy, like just create an account and try to delete it. And if you deleted it without any email confirmation or phone number confirmation, then this is a bug, and this is P4 bug. So see, this is how easy to find out. Okay, no rate limiting on form, no rate limiting on login, email triggering. Okay, auth misconfiguration, account squatting. Okay, and web application firewall bypass. Like if see, some of you like if you find a web application and try to IP address, try to find out the IP address of that web application, and if you can access that web application through that IP address, then this is web application bypass, means direct server access. Okay, so SSTI. So this is basic SSTI in P4. Otherwise SSTI goes in P1 because this is a remote code execution. So you can use this, like search just bug crowd rating taxonomy, and you will find out this. So this is very, very useful for yeah. Okay, then let's start. So see, okay, we create account bug crowd on bug crowd, and we read the scope also. And after that, what we do? Okay, so okay, we find out a web application. Okay, like maybe this is a web application. I'm taking this www.hubspot.com. So see, when you have a web application for testing, for pen testing or bug hunting, anything, just first of all, you need to first find out what technology that web application using, like what type of server, what type of language. So what you can use this webalizer. See this webalizer. So from webalizer, you can find out okay, this is using HubSpot. Okay, or And see HubSpot CMS, and this is using Lightbox, Java library, Core.js, React, okay, reverse proxy, Envoy, CDN, Cloudflare. So this is using content delivery network also, CDN. So this is not firewall, this is CDN. CDN is different from firewall. So this see, like many like in even some experienced hacker also think like this is firewall. This is not firewall, guys. This is CDN, content delivery network. So this is Cloudflare CDN. So see, you can use Cloudflare firewall, and you can also use the Cloudflare CDN. So currently, see, maybe they are using the Cloudflare firewall, but see, currently here, this is CDN. Okay. So see, we find out technology. So maybe see, after finding the technology, what should you do? See, like maybe you can use this word list, that not word list. So there is a list according to technology. See, currently we don't have any word list for this HubSpot, but you can search it like how to exploit this HubSpot CMS. So you can search like how to exploit HubSpot CMS. See, lazy log4j, not lazy, log4j, log4j, log4j vulnerability find out in this. So this is all the, so most of the owner this already fixed this. So try to find out other bugs in HubSpot, and let's say like maybe you will get other technology. Then what should you do? So see, like if application using the see AEM. So this is for AEM. So you most of the time you see this AEM web application using the AEM. So this is for that Adobe Experience Manager. So this is for AEM, specifically designed. This word list is specifically designed for AEM, and this is for Apache. This is Cold Fusion. So you, I think, heard about like CFL, Code Fusion Markup Language, CFML, Code Fusion Markup Language. So you can use this word list. Django, Express framework. It's like application is using Django or Python. You can use this Express framework, Flask framework, Laravel, Nginx, Rails, Ruby on Rails, okay. And Spring framework, like if application using the Spring framework, Java framework. This is a Java framework, Symfony, Tomcat, Y, Gen. So if see, like if you find out the technology in this, so you can use this for fuzzing. So how you can use this? Okay, I will show you. So like maybe like just assume this web application using Apache. Let's think this is using Apache. So we need to download this, copy link, download this in your Kali. So let's see, maybe I have already that Apache word list. No. So wget it. See, I'm downloading this. See, HTTP archive Apache. So we downloaded this successfully. So we are just assuming, see, this HubSpot is using Apache. So what should we do? So we can use this word list Apache for fuzzing purpose. So you can use Fuff. So Fuff is a fast fuzzer tool. So what this Fuff do? So this will try like this. Like this, like see, this have a word list inside it. Like this, admin, test, index, PHP. So this have a very long word list. So this is the word list. Okay, let's check it. Apache. This is the word list. Okay, why this is why this is not downloaded? Okay, this location is also empty, so this is not downloaded. Let's try the other. Let's try Nginx. Okay, like is this working or not? Yeah, so you can download this. Okay, okay, wait a minute. So anyone have doubt? iOS pen testing, Khalis Thenix. I don't know. I never tried iOS pen testing. Okay. So let's try Nginx. So actually, maybe you will find out, okay, application using the Nginx. So we need to download this word list. Okay, it's downloading. See, yeah, this Apache word list is empty. I don't know why this. Otherwise, see, you will find out other word list. Apache other word list also. See, you can also use the language based. Like if application using the ASP, see ASP Microsoft ASPX ASP or ASPX ASP.NET technology. So you can use these word list. Okay, so if CFM, see Cold Fusion markup language, if application using the do language, so you can use this word list. HTML based word list, JSP, JSPX, PHP, Raft. These word list are big. Okay, like only these are good for language based. So I think our file is downloaded. Okay, where is our this Nginx? Yeah, this is for Nginx. So this HTTP archive Nginx. These are word list. I think something they are doing something on their site. Otherwise, these are word list. Okay, let's check other also. Which word list we are looking for? See, these are technology based word list. Okay, this is Laravel. But see what is inside this. There is no word list. See guys, I think they are changed something. So you can check out this after some time. Like otherwise, see, I downloaded some of their word lists previously. So let's remove. Let's check out them. See, this is the word list I already have. See, this is the ASPX word list. So what this will do for first we'll try like all of them one by one. Try this, like then check, okay, this will give the response 200 or like 301 or 302. Like if application gives the response 200 means this is available on. So this will check for that. Okay, so we will use like this. So like if you don't know what is application using, like see currently we don't know like what technology is using, and we don't have any word list specifically for this. Like if you have the specific framework, then you can use this. Like if you don't know what application they are or framework they are using or technology they are using, then you can use this word list. Content discovery. This is content discovery from Jadix. Okay, okay. Content discovery. Jadix. This you can use this word list. this content discovery.all. Like if you don't know what technology is an application using, then you can use this word list. So okay, let's try this word list on this application. So see, puff you, and after that use the web application URL, paste it, fudge, after that word list. So word list is content discovery. See, this is the word list, or you can use this AC. So why you use this? So what happens sometimes application give the error. See 403. So if you are using the AC, so 403 means maybe they are blocking us. So you can use this AC. So AC, what will this will remove this. Okay, let's say I will show you. See, now no error. So AC means automatic calibration. So this will remove like this, like if application throwing error continuously. So this will remove that. Okay, like don't show this. This is not useful. Like from this, and this FFF will understand. Okay, this error is not useful. Just remove it. So AC means automatic calibration. So see, this is running. So let's see some chats. So anyone have the doubt or anything? Want to ask anything? Okay, let's go. So this is running. So currently, see, they are using some kind of firewall or something. See, 403 means access denied. So okay, let's try to access this web application here. Then we will find out we blocked or not. No, see, they are not blocking. They are blocking only this FFF. Okay. So let's run in the background this. So see all the tools like which they are taking the time. Like see, this will very long word list. So this will take some time, maybe 1 hour, half hour. So see, run them in the background and do other things with them. See this is running. So we need to do other things. So see, we read the scope, web technology, we find out the technology. So we can use the word list according to the technology. Okay, content discovery. So content discovery, one thing is fudging. So we can use the fudge. So currently see, we are doing fudging, FFF, or you can also use the Durbuster, wfudge, other tool. Like you can use any tool. Like word list is important, tool is not important. See, like which word list you are using. See, finally see, they are find the thing from that word list. Like if word list have, okay, like okay, if word list have like admin PHP file, okay, then see, you can use any tool, wfudge, Dubby, FFF, or any other tool. So they all will try this like URL, like okay, admin PHP available, this is available, this is available. So you can use any tool. Like see, so what is important is word list. Like what is your word list? So choose the word list very wisely and use according to the technology. So most of the time you will find out the technology like Apache, Nginx, Django, Laravel, or Gen. Many framework are available. So you can use the technology accordingly, or like if application using the language, like if you find out okay, application using the PHP, so you can use the PHP word list. So you will find out like more things. Maybe you will find something critical in the fudging. Started of like only enumeration. So okay, so this is content discovery. And other than that, you can use, okay, we want to browse the application. So we can use this Katana tool. So what this basically do, this will try to browse this application and try to find out something like what URL available there. So this is like just like a browsing. So this will find out okay, this is available, this is available. So you can try to find out bugs there. So see, this is running and giving us some URLs. So you can use this for hunting, or you can also use the GF tool top of the Katana. Like you can run the GF on Katana, like GF will give you the like which bug you can try where, like this. Okay, see, like, okay, I will show you. See, the Katana is running and we are getting some URLs. So you can run like, okay, first of all, I will tell you what is GF tool. So see, this is GF tool, and this will give you a pattern. Like, okay, if you want to try to like maybe XSS. So what this will do, this will try to find out any URL, like maybe that is not definitely URL number, like you can try XSS there. So this will try to find out that URL, like you can try the XSS there. Or IDOR, this will try to find out IDOR. Not exactly find the IDOR, this will give you the URL where you can try for IDOR bug. Okay, so how you can use this on top of the Katana? See, like this Katana, and after that GF, or like, okay, I want to check for XSS maybe. So see, first Katana run on this, after that GF tool run on this. See, it will find out, okay, this maybe you can check out XSS here, XSS here, you can check out XSS here, like this. So this will give you a potential parameter, like where you can check for XSS bug. So anyone want to ask about this, anything? This Katana, GF, anything? Okay, so it's running, so let's wait for 1 second. Okay, see, this is giving us many URLs where you can check out, and you can check out many bugs. See, okay, so from there you can find out some URLs. So this is very big website, HubSpot, very big. So you will get many URLs. See, so in a small website you will get only like 50 hundreds of URL, then you can check one by one. And other thing, from where you get the URL for a specific website, you can use the Google Dorking. See, next is Google Dork. So guys, this is a little bit big topic, so we will go one by one. Site, or which is a application, I want to check only this. See, we'll get some URL only specifically for this also. See, in www, see, we will get some URLs. See, I find out many bugs from this only. See, very simple dork, very simple only, and after that, see, so maybe, like maybe this Katana will not find out all the URLs. Maybe this fudge, see, fudge, we will get nothing from there. Then we are not getting anything from there. So we can get some URL from this dorking. Maybe you will find out like maybe admin URL, admin login, or maybe some other potential parameters which may be vulnerable to something. Okay, so finally, okay, like we did everything. So what we should go after that? After that, we need to do manually everything. See, like finally, manual testing will help you. See, all from these are only for fudging, understand the application using the what kind of firewall. Like if, okay, if you want to check for a firewall for a web application, then you can use this tool. Webwoof. Okay, Webwoof is not there. Yeah, see this tool, Webwoof. You can find out the like what firewall is using that application. Let's try. See, it's Cloudflare flow firewall. See, but like you can say like, okay, previously I told you like this is not Cloudflare firewall. This is CDN. This is CDN. So you application use both things from Cloudflare. Cloudflare, you can use the CDN also and you can use the firewall also. But if you want to check out like if application using the firewall or not, then you need to use this webhoof. From that you can find out, okay, application is using the Cloudflare. Okay, so see, this is very good tool for finding the what type of firewall application using. Yeah, this is running. So other thing, okay, I forgot one thing. You can use way back URLs. So what this will find out? This will find out like old URLs. Like see what happened for any web application. Okay, see we created a web application. See, we have application is share security, and we created a very simple page, only like index.php and or very simple website. After some time we changed it to admin.php. Our developer changed it to, see there is a admin.php. Okay, and after some time, okay, we think, okay, like this is not useful, we need to change it, then we will change it to another thing. Okay, so maybe we will check, okay, like just anything, like we removed it. Okay, we removed it and everything is going fine. Like, okay, we created other thing, created other URLs on our site. Okay, okay. So what happened? See, we removed from here, like in front end, like we removed, but maybe in, see, we removed from, like, see, this is a application and we removed. Okay, like, okay, see, if you go there like there is no admin page, but maybe, say they removed from here, but maybe admin page is there like this. So like if you find out, then maybe potentially you will find out some bugs there. So what this wayback URL will try, this will try to find out the old URLs. Like maybe they are like live or not, we don't know, but this will find out all the old URLs, like which application, like what application changes in last time. So you can use it, this will show wayback machine. You can use this wayback machine. You can use this wayback machine also for finding like what technology is web application using and how they look like in previously, like in 2010, 2008. Maybe previously they have some sensitive thing, then they removed it from front end, but back end, they in back end they are working. So this wayback URL is try to find out, and like maybe they are active and you can find out. See, so you can check out there, like, so you can use this also, but see, going one by one is very difficult. So for that we are using, see 10 May 2005, this HubSpot look like this web application. This, see, currently this is this app, HubSpot is this, but in, see, 10 May 2005, this is different. So they are changing. See, everything is go one by one. See, currently they developed, they have everything. They created a login and everything, but they started from very basic. So that time maybe they did something wrong, and we will find out that. So we can use that wayback URL. So, but one thing is problem here, that the wayback URL is try to find out all the URLs. So maybe they are like available. See, currently they are live or not. We don't know. Like, see, this will try admin, like it will find out, okay, in admin PHP is in 2008 is there. In 2008, admin PHP, admin.php is available, but we don't know that is like live or not. So we can use the HTTPX on that. Like if available as that is live, then it will try it out of the HTTPX. It will run HTTPX on that. Then if that URL is available, then this will show us. Okay. So anyone want to ask anything up to here? For beginner friendly, see, both bug crowd and hacker one are not beginner. Nowadays, not beginner friendly. Previously they are beginner friendly, but nowadays, see, most of the time they will like, they try to reject your bug. So like if you're beginner, see a beginner most of the time try to report bugs, like most of the time we will report the P4 bug. So what they will do, like they will reject it, like this is not in this is out of scope, this is like this is like this. So but see, you can use the RDP, or like try to find out the RDP, responsible disclosure, and start learning from there. Then but just after that you can use this bug crowd and hacker one. Okay. But at least create your account on bug crowd or hacker one and try to explore them, like, try to learn like how things are working in these platforms, because after like 2-3 months, like if you are beginner, after 2-3 months or 5 months, you can start hunting on this platform. Okay. Okay. So see, this is running, this is also running. See, we are getting some old URLs. Okay. Other than that, Google Doc, we did this. So manually browse the application. Manually browse the application and put that web application in the scope. See, this is the application, and put in the scope. Go to your scope section and add, paste URL. Okay. See, always you see, when you browse the manually browse the application, then always use the Burp Suite on. So this will help you, like very helpful for Burp Suite. Like how I will tell you, like this will help you in finding the bugs, very easy or low hanging bugs. So how you can try these low hanging bugs? Okay, I will show you. Okay, only show only scope item. So see, by clicking on this, you can see only scope item. So let's on Burp Suite here. See, we are getting URLs here. So there is a thing, say this live task. So you can run live task on this, specifically on this. So this will help you to find out bugs, like low hanging bugs, and give you some like potential things, like you can try XSS here, like maybe something here. So you will have some like more understanding about the web application by using this. So you can use this live audit. See, live audit, and you can use passive or active, anything. So currently I am showing the active scanning. Active scanning, only say suit scope and ignore duplicate item. Okay, this is the setting. And now what this will do, so see, now I will show you. See, this is the auditing. So this is trying to find out some bugs. See, like when I do the login, okay, when I do other things like login, log out, or browse another URL, see, get started free. So see, this is trying, like this is auditing. Auditing means this is trying to find out bugs from these URLs. Okay. Customer support, no error, and they are running. Suit scope. Okay, so this is okay. So let's increase little bit size. After that, like, okay, we find, okay, we did everything, we did the fuzzing and everything. Like, if we find something interesting, then we will try to find out that bugs. Like, if we get something from web technology, and we get something from that word list, web technology word list, and we will get, if we get something from like other fuzzing, Google dorking, then try to find out those bugs. Like, if not, then start from the authentication. Like, start from the authentication bugs and then go one by one. And you can use this cheat sheet. Like, I created a cheat sheet, you can use this. So I also use this, like, one by one. I try to go one by one bugs. See, I created a cheat sheet, like, rate limiting. You can start from rate limiting, you can use this for rate limiting. And okay, so you can use, like, see, IDOR. Okay, after that, see, I started from this. I created a small cheat sheet. See, rate limiting and delete account without confirmation. You can check these bugs. Long password DOS attack, account logout application DOS, host header attack, password reset poisoning, host header auth bypass. So go one by one. Start from authentication and go one by one. Like, see, so create your own. Like, you can create your own cheat sheet. Like, okay, I try to find out from authentication, then try this bug, then try XSS, one by one. So I written like a small cheat sheet. So you can also use this. See, auth account connect CSRF, auth URL redirect. You can use this auth URL redirect, account takeover, pre account takeover, obscure email vulnerability. Okay, so expose source control. Like, if you find out this HTTP proxy attack, server side SSI, Apache struts, exists geolocation, Apache byte range DOS attack, webmin. So I written like some important bugs, like, which you can try out. Account lockout, test for blind accesses, identity testing, authentication testing. Okay, application server vulnerability, web cache disruption, web cache poisoning. Okay, ticket trick bug hunting, nginx range filter overflow. So you can go one by one, or you can check out this. So I will send you this. Tools. Okay, tools, see, you can search them tools directly. Like, see, like, just search like this, Katana in GitHub. Type this and you will get that tool. See, this is Katana. Okay, and search for other, like, okay, which I use, wayback URLs. Then type GitHub after that, and see, this is wayback URL. Just type the tool name and after that type the GitHub. See, other tool which we are we are using Fuff, and type the GitHub tool name and after that GitHub. Then you will get the first link, which is the tool. See, Fuff. So just tool name and then GitHub, you will get the tool. Okay, and you can use this also, my cheat sheet. So this is the cheat sheet which I created for bug hunting. So guys, you can use this. So I written like many things, useful things. So I think it worked. Okay, and or see, I update many things, like, I upload many things. So you can also follow me on GitHub. Okay, Naresh Kumar, when we try to log in account with the wrong password, an account is logged. So again, I did with the correct password and it was logged in. This is any type of bug. Yeah, this is a bug, like account policy or account lockout is not working properly. But like, see, you can report it. But see, account lockout means, like, see, why applications are using account lockout. Account lockout means, like, you cannot brute force. Like, if application is in account lockout and if you are login, then this is a kind of bug. But sometimes, like, they will accept and sometimes not. So you can report it. Okay, So anyone want to ask something? Yeah. Provided, see, Dinesh, I provided the checklist. So you can use this checklist. So next time we will do like how we can manually check out these all these bugs one by one. See, manually. See, this live audit find out something. See, two red means something critical is there. So let's check out like what is there. See SQL injection. So maybe SQL injection is there. See this find out SQL injection. So I don't know like this is vulnerable or not, but see you can check out. So maybe like potentially vulnerability. See SQL injection there also. So sometimes this will give you the even bug also, like even sometimes you the original bugs, like you just need to test them and you will find out okay SQL injection is there. See, or it will give you like cross-site scripting. So maybe this parameter is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. So how you can, so I think everyone understand like how I set it up this live audit. So this is see currently running, we are talking in here, but this is running, and we get some two bugs, red and other activity also. You can check out, say cross origin resource sharing. So you can check out other bugs, cross origin resource sharing. Say this find out arbitrary origin is trusted. So if application leaking some sensitive data, then this is a bug. Okay. Okay, let's send it to the repeater and let's check if this is vulnerable or not. Oh, this is so see this is vulnerable, but we cannot exploit. See, we need to supply these things: trace ID, message UTK in the URL, and that is not possible. Otherwise, see this is vulnerable to cross origin. See cross, like we can check out attacker.com and let's check. See access control allow origin. This is reflected back and this is allowing. But currently, see, I am not talking about exploitation. I am just giving you an info, like how you can, what should be your approach. So see, we find out an course, and maybe this is see, maybe this is vulnerable to SQL injection also. So you can check out this URL, like this is vulnerability or not. Okay. Yeah, it depends. Naresh, it depends on their policy. So you need to read their scope section. So anyone have doubt? Otherwise, I'm closing the session. Next time we will do more things like how you can approach. See, it is not possible in one day. Like what should be your approach? So we will go one by one, guys. Okay. So if anyone have the doubt, then okay, there is some this policy. Okay, let's. What is this detailed? Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. And we will do next session on the next Saturday and Sunday. So we'll do like continuously on Saturday, Sunday. our sessions. And these all are free, so you can join for learning bug hunting, cyber security. So please subscribe our channel and like. Okay. Thank you, Naresh. So if anyone have the doubt, then they can ask. Otherwise, I'm closing the session. Okay. Bye bye.